Welcome to the Whissel Beer Group office in La Mesa, our East County headquarters and a place where real estate, community, and creativity all come together. Our office sits in the heart of the La Mesa village, surrounded by local shops and restaurants. Parking is simple. You'll find metered street parking right outside, or free parking just a short walk away. As you approach, you'll see our landmark bright orange front door between Surfrider Pizza and Centofanti's. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed into a space designed to feel open, comfortable, and inspiring. This historic mid-century building has been part of the La Mesa community since the 1940s as Bush Garage, later a Pontiac dealership, and then the La Mesa Emporium. The building has now been reimagined as Whissel Beer Group's open-concept East County headquarters. It's a modern workspace that preserves its mid-century charm while serving the needs of our clients, our team, and our community. The space is versatile and designed to adapt. From private client consultations in our conference rooms, to educational events in a classroom setup, to creative projects in our podcast and media studio, we've built an environment that can host whatever the moment calls for. When you're here, make yourself at home. Enjoy a coffee or espresso from our bar, or try a cold brew or local craft beer on tap. If you like fresh air, step out into our private courtyard, where you'll find comfortable seating, umbrellas, heaters, and even a fire feature perfect for a quiet conversation or a lively event. This office isn't just where business happens, it's where relationships are built. Whether you're buying or selling a home, collaborating on a project, or looking for a unique venue to rent, our La Mesa office is here to serve you. We look forward to welcoming you in and showing you what Whissel Beer Group is all about.